Good evening. As the track and field season heats up, every Saturday die-hard track and field fans head to the various venues where meets are held. Over the years, development meets have taken on more significance as pundits make predictions as to who will win the annual boys and girls championships. Early season favorites emerge, even as the athletes seek to attain their qualifying marks ahead of champs. This year, the meets have taken on added importance, as with the World Indoor Championship set for March and the Commonwealth Games unusually early in April on Australia's Gold Coast, senior athletes must get themselves competition sharp much earlier than summer when most major championships are held. It is with this in mind that I must voice complaints against some organizers of the various meets. Outside of the athletes themselves, spectators are the lifeblood of sports. They pay at the turnstiles, making your enterprise profitable, and they provide the environment that gives athletes the energy they need to perform well. Every athlete likes competing in front of a packed, noisy stadium. Usain Bolt, the greatest sprinter of all time, never competed without interacting with the crowd, and you could see how much he enjoyed crowd support. It is against that background that I want to implore meet organizers not to take track and field fans for granted. The spectator that heads out to the various track meets Saturday after Saturday is not an ordinary fan. He or she is an aficionado of the sport who has decided to take time from all the things they could be doing to watch a steady diet of heats. I believe it is highly disrespectful for fans not to be given the best experience at the track meets. Some meet organizers neglect to provide basic information such as the athletes involved in the race. How can a world youth champion be on the track and there's no hype surrounding that? Why are races being run without commentary? Why isn't there a clock showing times or wind speed announcements? I understand that running a meet can be an expensive venture, but if your fans are not enjoying the experience, they will stay away. The diehards may still come, but your attendance register will not improve. I heard one athletics fan at a recent track meet remark that the Jamaican spectator has moved way past this. And indeed, they have. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.